Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwayne with Dwayne Art Studios. Just hoping that today I can show you some cool and helpful tips on how to improve your art today. So today, I already have an initial sketch all set up. Um, Sorry, I kind of skipped that part, but this is the first episode, so I wanted to make sure that I have something really good to show you guys. And so let's get right into it. Um, So, generally what you'll do is, I'll show you some of my process. Um, generally what I've done is, I'll do like a quick sketch, maybe some reference, depending on, if you're going for realistic. It's always good to have some kind of reference for style. Here I just kind of had a photo and just applied my own style to it. Here is, a more refined sketch on top of that sketch. I just lower the opacity of the last layer, and I draw on top of that other sketch. Alright, and now we're going to do some shading. When shading, you want to have something called an undertone layer. So you want to make sure you get your midtones in there. Sorry if there's some background noise going on. I'm going to go ahead and take off the sharpness dynamics of the brush. Just go ahead and get some big broad strokes in there. Don't get scared, it's just the beginning. We're just trying to get a good local tone. I think this is even a little bit too dark, but you know what? It's alright. It's okay if you go outside the line a little bit. Right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some shadow going. Then if I get a little quiet, I mainly want to show you just some techniques here. So when doing shadow, you want to do big blocky shapes. Turn out my opacity on. Don't want it too heavy of a line. When doing this, notice I'm drawing the shape of the shadow. Exactly what I'm doing is just going in, blocking that in. Try to hit everything that is gonna be in shadow. And don't be afraid, it's just the beginning, so getting blocky is the way to go. I'm not trying to make it perfect just yet, I'm just trying to get everything down. This little sharp guy with a smudge tool. Let's soften that up. I don't want harsh lines in here. Your paintings. All depends on what style you're going for. Yeah, now start trying to match up some others. When you're doing your shadows, you're thinking about placement of light. But my light is here. Well, technically. And the light's going to shine in this direction. So even it helps to do that. Let your core shadows in there. Core shadows are basically help the image feel three-dimensional or round, like say. And get that guy in there. Top lip, get under the bottom. I'll try to roughly keep these videos at about 15 to 10 minutes. I don't want to make it too long. Again, we're just sketching, so we're not really trying to go through and make a masterpiece here. Hopefully this will help. I'm struggling with rendering. Raise the light a little bit. Because I don't want to make this video too long, I'm going to go ahead and stop this one here and catch me back on my part 2 of Balloons Art Studio, where we're going to play around with the light a little bit more. So go ahead and look for that next video. And I'll see you again next time. Take care.